Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about terminologies of cams and follower. As in the previous lecture, we have studied about what is a cam, what is a follower, what are various types of cams, what are various types of follower. So continuing with the same pace, today we'll be discussing about the various terminologies used in cam and follower, like cam profile, pressure angle, pitch circle, pitch curve, base circle, trace points, etc. As it has been noticed in most of the cases, many a times, like students they face problems. So directly we'll be discussing today about cams terminologies. So let's start with the shaft. What is a shaft? It is a rotating machine element, usually circular in cross section, which is used to transmit power from one part to another, or we can say from one machine which produces power to another machine which absorbs power. Basically, shaft is a machine element on which these cams follow, various cams, gears, pulleys are attached. Then what is a base circle? It is the smallest circle drawn from the center of rotation of cam, forming a part of cam profile. The radius of this circle is called the least radius of the cam. As you can see from the figure, it is the smallest circle that is drawn, which is known as base circle. Above this base circle we have a follower. So in this particular cam terminology we'll be using the roller follower. What is a roller follower? It is a follower which has a spherical contact with the base circle. On the center of this roller follower we have a trace point. What is a trace point? It is the reference point on the follower to make pitch curve. In case of knife edge follower, if we consider this as a knife edge follower, this trace point is located at the knife edge itself, and in case of roller follower it is located at the roller center. That means here this is a roller follower, so this is a trace point, but if it is a knife edge, so it would have been on the base circle. Then prime circle. What is a prime circle? As you can see from the figure, prime circle, it is the smallest circle that can be drawn from the cam center and tangent to the pitch curve. Now we'll draw the pitch curve also. Now from this center of this trace point, or we can say from the trace point, we draw a circle which is concentric with the base circle and it forms a prime circle. That means for a knife edge or a flat faced follower, the prime circle and the base circle are identical, but for a roller follower the prime circle is larger than the base circle. And how much? It is larger by the radius of the roller, as you can see from this figure. Next is the cam profile. What is the cam profile? The surface of the cam which comes in contact with follower is known as cam profile. The fundamental basis for drawing the cam profile is that the cam is assumed to be stationary. It is very important. While drawing the cam profile, we will also be drawing it in the next session as well. While drawing any kind of cam profile, we consider that the cam is stationary and the follower is rotating through the 360-degree around the cam. For drawing the cam profile, And what I said is the fundamental basis for drawing the cam profile is that the cam is considered or assumed to be stationary and the follower is moving around the cam to develop the cam profile. This is also known as principle of kinematic inversion. Now what is a pitch curve? It is the path of trace point. You can see this is a trace point. So it is a path of trace point assuming that the cam is fixed and the follower moves around it. So the path which is followed by a trace point or is known as pitch curve, and it is also based on the principle of kinematic inversion, that we are considering that cam is stationary and the follower is moving around it. So the path followed by the follower surface in contact is known as cam profile, whereas the path followed by the trace point is known as pitch curve. Now let us take 2-3 positions of follower that lie take at this point or this point, and this dotted line shows the line of motion of the follower. Now suppose for this particular ruler follower we draw a tangent to this pitch curve. This dotted line is the line of motion of the follower, and then we draw tangent to this pitch curve. Now from this point on the pitch curve we'll draw a normal to the pitch curve. Clear? What we did is we have taken a line of motion of the follower and then we have taken a tangent and we have drawn a normal to the pitch curve. This normal to the pitch curve and line of motion of the follower makes certain angle which is represented at phi, and also the displacement of the follower from any position to some definite position also makes certain angle which is represented as, say, alpha. This angle phi is known as pressure angle. What is the pressure angle? It is the angle between the normal to the pitch curve and the line of motion of the follower. The angle is very important in designing of cam. Its maximum value is about 30 degree. It is denoted by a symbol phi. And one thing very important, if these values of phi, that is the pressure angle, exceeds 30 degree, a reciprocating type of follower will jam in the bearing. So maximum pressure angle can be taken as approximately 30 degree, and it also depends upon angle of ascent, angle of or the lift of the follower or follower motion, offset, etc. And the point of maximum pressure angle is known as pitch point, but this angle is known as pressure angle, and the angle of rotation of the cam for a definite displacement of the follower is known as cam angle. And as I said that the point of maximum pressure angle is known as pitch point. Now from this pitch point and taking the center as the center of the base circle or the center of the shaft, if we draw a complete circle, it is known as a pitch circle. Clear? And from the base circumference of the base circle to the maximum position of the cam profile, we have a maximum lift of follower. What is the maximum lift of follower? It is the maximum displacement of the follower from the base circle of the cam. It is also known as stroke of the follower. Clear? So in a very fast we can revise it Like, what is cam profile? You can see from this figure everything is mentioned: trace point, pitch circle, pressure angle, follower motion. This is the follower motion. This is the pitch point where pressure angle is maximum. This is the smallest circle, which is base. Also, direction of cam rotation is shown. Cam profile, pitch curve, etc. So what is a cam profile? It is the outer surface of the disc cam, we can say. We have considered here a roller follower. And what is the base circle? The circle with the shortest radius from the cam center to any part of the cam profile is known as base circle. Trace point, it is a point on the follower and its motion describes the movement of the follower. It is used to generate the pitch curve. And what is the pitch curve? The path generated by the trace point, assuming that the cam is fixed and the follower moves around it. And what is a prime circle? The circle from the cam center, or the smallest circle from the cam center through the pitch curve, is known as prime circle. And as we have discussed earlier also, the pressure angle, the angle between the direction of follower movement and the normal to the pitch curve. What is the pitch point? Pitch point is corresponding to the point of maximum pressure angle. And the pitch circle, it is a circle drawn from the cam center and passes through the pitch point, is called pitch circle. And the last is the stroke. It is the greatest distance or angle through which the follower moves or rotates. So hope you are clear with the terminologies of the cam. Now for more videos you can subscribe to Gagan Bansal on YouTube, or for any information you can mail me at gaganbansal12345@gmail.com or gaganbansal@geu.ac.in. Hope you like it. Thank you.